This video will show you how to add user accounts and manage them. First, go over to People in the Admin menu and choose Add User. The first thing you will see are some basic fields on this page: username, email, and password. So all you have to do is type in the information you wish to add, such as a username, an email that you will use for this username, and a password. So if the account is not used for yourself, then you can put in any password for now, and a login link will be sent afterwards so they can change their password. Or another way for them to change their password is they can use the forgot password option, and it would send them the email that way too. The next section here is status, and you have two options here: block or active. Block prevents the user from using the account until you manually activate it. And this is useful if you want to create multiple accounts and maybe activate them all at once later, and you won't have somebody trying to log in while you're still working on the site. If this is for a existing account that is already active, then you can use the block option just to prevent that user from accessing their account for whatever reason. And active will simply just enable the account for use right away. After that, you have roles, and roles determine what kind of permissions your user will have on the site. By default, there is only one checkable box, and that is either if they are an administrator or they are not. If you're a site administrator, you can add more specific roles for your users, such as a content editor, just for a user that's only going to be editing content and nothing else on the site. Under that, you have notify user of new account, and this will send an email to the address you provided at the top, and the message will be there just to notify that an account has been made for them, and you can configure this message however you want at the account settings page. Then if you're on a multilingual site, you may have this option for a user to choose their own language. You might not need to do this, but the default is usually set to whatever language your site is set on. At the end of that, you can press Create New Account, and it should be done.